proposing a new method for the construction of optimal pairwise balanced block designs based on 3n symmetrical factorial design. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The concept of PBBD is merely the combinatorial interest in block designs. Because with the help of PBBD many other incomplete block designs can be constructed. This study proposed a new method for constructing optimal pairwise balanced block design using the concept of 3n symmetrical factorial design has been proposed. The designs constructed using the proposed new method is satisfied optimality, d-optimality and e-optimality criteria. The constructed method is illustrated with numerical example and the design is found to be universal optimal. This study focuses on a special type of mathematical arrangement called a pairwise balanced block design, PBBD, which is used in statistics and experimental planning. In simple terms, PBBDs ensure that every pair of items, called treatments, appears together in a group, called a block, exactly once. This helps in comparing treatments fairly without needing to test every possible combination multiple times. These designs are useful in a wide range of fields, including agriculture, medicine, and industrial experiments, where testing all combinations would be too expensive or time-consuming. The paper introduces a new and efficient way to construct an optimal PBBD using ideas from another area called 3n symmetrical factorial design, which helps to manage and reduce experimental effort. It also explains how treatments and blocks can be arranged so that each treatment appears an equal number of times and each block contains a specific number of treatments. The authors also explore mathematical rules that ensure such a design is valid and well-balanced. Overall, the study provides a clear and systematic method for creating these designs, with the potential to improve how experiments are planned and carried out in many scientific fields. The designs constructed using the proposed new procedure is satisfied optimality, d-optimality and e-optimality criteria, and hence the design constructed using the proposed procedures is found to be universal optimum. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.